Today, we're going to be making a quick and easy chicken lasagna my way. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I'm starting off with kind of boiling some lasagna noodles. And I don't want to boil them until they're done. I just want to get them lucified enough where I can take the noodles and I can bend them, cut them, and these are about ready because they're not done. They just loose. Okay, I have washed and dried some spinach leaves. And I'm just going to chop these spinach leaves up just fine because we're going to saute these in some good old uh, spices and stuff. So let's chop all this up. Okay, I'm going to put my pan on this hot stove. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil into my pan. I'm using just a pinch of garlic. And I'm going to fragrance my oil. Then I'm dumping all of my wonderful spinach inside that. Okay, I am going to that oil and that garlic. I'm going to stir up. Okay, I'm going to be using some very special season. This is Be Sure to Season Seasoning Blend. And to get this, you can go to BeSureToCook.com. This stuff is good on everything. Meats, porks, chicken, beef, you name it. I'm going to add a little spray in there because all it takes is that. And we're just going to give a little bit flavor to this wonderful, wonderful spinach. Okay, I'm about a half teaspoon of olive oil. Okay, I got some delicious pancetta. I'm going to need about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of this. It depends on how much you want in yours. And I just want a little of it. I'm going to cook this down. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add back in my spinach a little bit. I'm going to put back in my bacon, my pancetta bacon. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be using are some roasted red bell peppers. And it's already roasted and they're in olive oil. So it's so good. I'm just going to chop these up. These are great to use. Okay, so this chicken is a roasted chicken that I got at my local store. You can always get roasted chickens at your local store. I'm just going to it just comes off easy. Oh, it's so tender. The wings, I'm just going to pull those off. Wing on that. And all I'm looking for is the breast. And then I just want to slice this up, making sure you get rid, because it's already tender. Okay, I've got a jar of Prego's Parmesan creamy pesto. I have another of Prego's creamy roasted garlic pesto. And I'm going to mix both of them inside of a big bowl. Okay, then I'm going to actually mix these until it is completely incorporated. Okay, I sprayed my pan a little bit because I don't want it to stick. I'm going to add some sauce at the bottom of this. Then I'm just going to take the sauce and I'm just going to make sure I get a nice little even layer. Because, guys, these noodles are not all the way baked. They're still kind of raw. And I need sauce at the bottom so they can cook because I don't want anything to burn. So I'm just going to layer down my lasagna shells. Oh, it's going to be so delicious. In a bowl, I let that cool off. And that is my spinach. Okay, it's a lasagna. So you can use cottage cheese or ricotta. I don't really care too much for ricotta. That's just my preference. So I'm going to add a little of the cottage cheese down here. I'm going to add a little of cheese. And this is a 3 cheese cheddar. So you can add any kind of cheese you want. I'm going to add a little bit here. Okay, this is my Be Sure to Season blend. I've got my chicken. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit over this chicken. And I'm just going to mix this season all around, making sure the chicken gets all of my Be Sure to Season blend. Okay, then I'm going to take my chicken and I'm going to lay some of the chicken pieces down. And then we're going to take our spinach and our pancetta, because that should go right over the chicken. Same well, the roasted red bell peppers. And I'm doing it by hand. Then we're going to layer some more cheese over all this goodness. Oh, and we're going to continue to layer just like I did once again over and over. Got it on my baking sheet, and I've sprayed my aluminum foil so it won't stick. I'm gonna cover this up 350 for about 35 minutes. You want to make sure it's nice and bubbly. You want to check it about 25 if it's bubbling good and the noodles look like they're really, really good and done. You want to take the top off and let it brown a little bit so the cheese can cover and get a little bit of brown. So here we go. All right, this is just now out of the oven. So we're gonna let this cook for a long while and we'll be back to cut it after that. Okay guys, it has cooled down a lot and you can see the Alfredo pesto come up on top and we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Okay, I'm gonna dig down in here because guys, it's still Alfredo sauce. And Alfredo sauce is not really thick. It can get thick, but oh, let's see. I try to make it go thick. Look at that. That is our pasta. And here is my chicken lasagna my way. Because guess what? I didn't make this chicken lasagna alone. You and me, we did this together. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, kick it up a notch. See you next time. Bye.